This is literally the only one I own, and I bought it.
We're chatting about 4th of July
Attire.
Yeah. Being festive.
Yes.
So happy 4th of July Eve, Wednesday, coffee chat with WLG Group. So this week we are chatting about freedom, right? What the freedom of estate planning, or what estate planning freedoms that estate planning gives you. There we go. Yeah. So
still early, not enough coffee.
Not enough coffee. So Lindsay, what freedoms do you get from getting your estate plan done?
So I look at it as a couple of different kind of avenues of freedom. So obviously we have the freedom of choice in this country, and doing your estate plan gives you the freedom to choose who you want in charge of your affairs. How do you want your assets received? Who do you want to take care of you if you can't take care of yourself? Who do you want to take care of your minor children if you can't do it? So you have the freedom to design whatever you want, and we can plan for whatever you want as long as it's not illegal. Yeah. But if you don't exercise that freedom, and you don't put pen to paper, and you don't create a legitimate estate plan, then you are left with what the state has decided that it thinks you want. And it's very, very rare that we talk with people that the state's plan, the default plan, is what they want. So exercising your freedom to put a plan in place and dictate how things happen is really, really important.
Right. And staying in control.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
When you can't be in control, at least you know. And I don't know, we were chatting about this before. I was thinking, freedom to, once you have an estate plan, that things are taken care of. If something were to happen to you, then you've got, all your wishes lined up. So freedom to skydive, bungee jump, do all that kind of crazy risk taking.
Which are totally fun, by the way. If you haven't skydived, I highly recommend. I don't want to bungee jump though. That hurt. That scares my neck.
Neither. Not happening.
Yeah.
So getting your estate plan done and having those pieces in place gives you that sense of, doesn't what happens.
Yeah. Or even going on a trip.
Yeah.
Just going on vacation with you and your spouse and leaving the kids at home, knowing that if anything were to happen, you've got documents in place that outline exactly what you want to happen for your kids, for your family, making it easy for whoever's left behind. And that's, I think, the biggest thing we hear from people when we say, what do you want this to look like? How do you want this to go? Is they say, I want it to be easy for the people who are left behind. Yeah. And creating a plan is it's not the only way to do it, but it's really the best way to do it. And working with an attorney that helps make sure that they've got all of the bases covered, not just saying, here's a will, because it is more than that. There's a lot that goes into making things easy.
Yeah. So I think we get a lot of people who come to us. I've talked to 2 people this week. My mother just passed away, and I just finished, or we're in the middle of handling her estate, and it's a mess, or it's, we probably need to get this done, because they had everything taken care of and it was really easy. So we need to do that because it wasn't a big deal.
Right.
And that's really, I think, what everyone wants their family, with a few exceptions. I've definitely had people that say, I don't care. They can work for their inheritance.
Yeah. Well, yes, there's that.
But freedom to choose.
Exactly. Freedom of choice. So we hope you're having a lovely day tomorrow. Have something fun planned and you're not working. My husband will be working all day, so I'm going to find ways to entertain myself. My children are out of town this week, so I'm by myself.
Yay. Enjoying some alone time.
Yes. So happy 4th.
Yeah. Enjoy. Have a great week and a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye.